Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad Sangma walawan manishim benda hak sengi pynkut ïaka jubilee ksiar jong ke Nativity Hr Sec School hamau kerwan. Haba keren hagani ke sengi nak yang Menteri Rangba walapan bena arpsan lak tengka kum ke jingno senyang na ke Chief Minister Special Development Fund sya ke Nativity Hr Sec School na ke benda ban penhe ïaka Ying School. Ulaong ru ba ke pulih putih ke dai ke wei ni ke mau jam bakong sandam jong ke imlang ke salang bat jong ke nu ke jat ben riu bat kumta ke jing penlut ha ke pulih putih ke kamlong kum ke jing bei tengka na ke benta ke lawai bat ke dai na ke ta ke dau ba ha kini kisnam ke sorkar MDA ke pentikna bakan ai ke bakong santam ha ke pulih putih ha ke ba ke don ni ke mang tengka ke ba hetam na pedeng kitanat sorkar baro ka bakot katsan persen na kamang bisa na baro kawai.
Yo kumbanga ay jingkreni kina school hagapor assembly. Kane ka school nadu basnang kalong ka model. Lane ka nuksaya baro kini school hakini di Jaka. Bagi kena jongi kelek priang sobha priang burom kat bawan kiru sokar haman laki Jaka. Nila don ke uniform ka kini ka nang bhaban tan sentiu ban su sentiu ka pendeng sentiu kena penriam penbet pensat penruai bat kunta kayat. Ngatara pinam sutu nambar ngalamare nambar ngaong hap mare kendai pau dikri ke jingkren jonga. Bangan pendep dia kata sanmit saneng. Tenamar kata ko kipat ba. Jong kane ka dong jong ka mau keruat. Kala roy lapar hadu kane. Dikena jongi mencuaki bendon kam ya karut memory. Kam dei ku mentaki bendon kam ya ka teknologi memory. Habaki ruai ki bendon kam ya la ka jong ka root memory. Haba ki pulekot daka root memory ya kaba la ai da ublay menta habang ipeki kena ki ba menta ngalale jarap ya ki hakit ki secondary school bat kunta ter haba ki lai ki ansan smen jongki ki pit da ka mobile ka depression jong ki kena ki ba menberim ka de nadu try ka depression ki kena ki ba menta kadai ka mobile. Tuan berkata, ko kilong kemi kilong pa. Ini ya perkat haki ni por nomor ba ka jinang jingtip kan nang kiu irat saprang. Ni duaru nakabenta kan ka school jong ka Nativity Hr Secondary School kan long ka bejob hadu lano. Haga por bagi kena ngadang don rengkat bati ki kena school barin jonga nang ne na mangkuruan kiongi hap sumar bha namar ubabu udon magic udon jadu swaban pynkut nga chupan kan mau ha ka we ke senam chajar khandai spanyo phung riu ka don ka school hangne da ka skum bat kuntang ila khot ya ka parents de hau bunai no mamar khat sau tarik lai ngot ki khnaret bat kine ki lai ngot khnaret uwei ubarus pa ar ngot ki dei ki badok bat habakila poi hakata ka stage kum kane kam dei kum kane ka stage khendeu bat kuntang imdon soundbox Nimdon AA Henry ka soundbox jongki kadai ke sintur bat clear wai kini ki knaret bat kata ka jingru wai nga kenau du namar ba manga bat ka kini ngela hikaya kata ka jingru wai bat ya kata ka jinga thu khana ban ruwai apdeng ki kimi ki pa kane ka jingru wai kong Jesus my everything.
Wonderful and great institution.
I also would like to sincerely apologize to all of you for having made all of you wait out here for almost more than an hour. I can assure you I am mostly on time. I reached Mokurwat on time as per my schedule, but due to different circumstances, certain other programs, I was not able to reach to this program on time. But I'm so thankful to all of you for having waited for us, and also would like to take this opportunity to wish the school and each and every one of you, the principal, the vice principal, the past principals and faculty, the past students, each and every one of you, a very happy 50th year or Golden Jubilee that we are celebrating today of the Nativity Hr Secondary School, Mokurwat. On March 15th, 1974, the then parish priest, Father Aaron, had established this particular school. Along with Bar Brixius Marvin, I'm told he is present out here. It would be my honor to felicitate him if our principal would allow after my speech. And also Bar Elucius Nonglang. When 50 years back, they had taken this decision and started the school, resolution was passed, and faithfuls from Nonglang, Molanwer, Moranglang village, and all the other villages had come together, and under a very, very small room started the journey of this wonderful and great institution. And I'm sure Babrixius and others who have seen the journey of this school from where it began to where it is today, there must be a sense of deep satisfaction in your hearts to see what this institution has become. Because it's not just about the buildings that we have built, what about the playgrounds that you have built, but the lives that you have touched. The students who have come out of this institute, the way they have become responsible citizens of our state and of our country. And today are contributing at different positions, at different levels, for the benefit of society and for the benefit of the state as a whole. Faculty, principals will see that contribution and will have a very, very deep sense of satisfaction to see what they have contributed to society. I once again congratulate the founders and all the faculty who have contributed to making this institute what it is today. Education, as we all know, is one of the most important pillars of society and of any nation. And expenditure and the money that is spent on education is more of an investment. And that is why in the last many years it has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that we give utmost importance to education. The highest budget among all the departments is kept for education, amounting to more than 15% of our total budget. But in spite of all the funds and all the investments that we make, we have numerous challenges. Education has a lot of complications. It is not easy. We are trying our best to structure things. But as I was just speaking in the earlier program, when you have a problem in front of you, it's not easy to solve the problem in one go. I was comparing it to ironing a shirt. When you have a crumpled shirt, you take piece by piece and you iron the shirt, starting with the hand, the collars, so on and so forth. And similarly, this is what we are trying to do when it comes to education. I'm not saying that it's a mess. All I'm saying is that it is complicated. A lot of challenges are there. And hence we need to work in a very, very structured manner to slowly and steadily iron out the different crumples that are there. And hopefully, in the process, one day we'll be able to reach to the point that we all desire to. In terms of education, apart from secondary, higher secondary, our government is very, very keen to ensure that different colleges and also higher education opportunities are given to our students. Just yesterday, we have approved the sanctioning of Science and Commerce stream in Sora Government College, William Nagar Government College, and also in Bakmara Government College. This is of course in line with the new education policy, where we are ensuring that multi-disciplines and multiple streams are provided to our students. In the past couple of years, a large number of colleges which were run by governing bodies have been supported in terms of People's College. Sanction posts have been given to these different colleges, including here in Mokurwat, and also I can see Father Sunny, when he was in William Nagar, we had given to the Loyola College in William Nagar also the status of People's College. But I'm hopeful that slowly and steadily, with the interventions that are being made, we will be able to see a difference and improvement in the education sector. And I once again congratulate our principal and all the faculty for the wonderful education that they're providing in this school. I also would like to take this opportunity to share with all of you that we are putting a lot of stress on rural infrastructure in our state. I tell everybody that we should have a big vision. So 50 years have gone. I'm sure when the founders had started the school at that time, I don't think they could ever imagine that it would reach here. But it has reached to this point. But now the question is, where do we go from here? What is your next vision? Is this going to become a college one day? Is it going to become a university one day? Are you going to open up a center of excellence to be having maybe an agriculture college which will be one of the best in the country? Maybe a tourism college which will be one of the best in the country? I think you should dream big. I think you should have a large vision. I think you should have something that can be set for the next 50 years. And I really urge, not just you, Father, I think everybody. I was in the college program in the morning, and really I would urge the college. I was listening to their plans of having, I think, 80 acres of land for the college. 30 acres of land, and it's a great vision that you're having to build up, a large institute, because
That's how organizations grow, that's how institutions grow, that's how countries and nations grow. And therefore, I urge our principal, in my concluding remarks, to plan, not just look at the last 50 years, but learn from it and set the target for the next 50 years, or where you would like to see this institute reach. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless this institute. May God bless all the students and all the faculty members, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shubun, Matela, and Jai Hind.